Recently, we have completed chapter 1 rational numbers. Now, today I will start chapter 2 exponents. Exercise 2A. Question number 1. There are 5 problems. I will solve question number 3. 4 by 3 whole to the power minus 3. We can write 3 by 4 whole to the power 3. Law of exponent, we know that a by b whole to the power minus n equals to b by a whole to the power n. N is now positive integers. So I can write 3 into 3 into 3 by 4 into 4 into 4. So answer is 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27 by 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. This is answer. Question number 4. Minus 3 whole to the power minus 4. We will use same law of exponent. 1 by minus 3 whole to the power 4 equals to, we can write minus 1 by 3 4. Now power is now even number, so this negative sign will be positive sign. That means minus 1 by 3 whole to the power 4 equals to 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 equals to 1 by 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81. This is the answer. Now, we will solve remaining sum. Same process. Question number 2. There are 4 problems. I will solve only problem number 4. 9 by 8 whole to the power minus 3 into 9 by 8 whole square. We will use same law of exponent. 8 by 9 whole cube into 9 by 8 whole square equals to 8 into 8 into 8 by 9 into 9 into 9. Second, 9 by 8 whole square means 9 into 9, 8 into 8. 8 8 cancelled and 9 9 cancelled. Result is 8 by 9. This is the answer. You can solve remaining sum, same process. Now question number 3. Evaluate 5 by 9 whole to the power minus 2 into 3 by 5 whole to the power minus 3 into 3 by 5 whole to the power 0. 5 by 9 whole to the power 5 by 9 whole to the power minus 2 equals to 9 by 5 whole square into 5 by 3 whole cube into, we know that law of exponent a by b whole to the power 0 equals to value is 1. That means 3 by 5 whole to the power 0 equals to 1. Now 9 into 9 by 5 into 5. 9 by 5 whole square means 9 into 9 by 5 into 5 into 5 by 3 whole cube. That means 5 into 5 into 5 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 1. Now cancel 5 5. Here is 3 3 ja 9. 9 cancel. Same 3 1 ja 3. 3 3 ja 9. That means result is 3 into 5. 3 into 5 into 1 equals to 15. This is the answer. Is it clear? Now question number 4. There are 3 problems. Now I will solve problem number 2. Evaluate. Minus 1 by 3 whole square. That means here is the exponent is even number, so minus sign will be positive sign. That means 1 by 9. Minus 1 by 3 whole square means 1 by 9. Next, second bracket, 1 by 9 power minus 2. That means these integers is negative integer. To convert it positive integer, that means 9 whole square. 9 whole square means 81 whole to the minus 1. That means 1 by 81. This is the answer. Question number 5. This is the question. Evaluate. Find out. Evaluate. Now we can write 1 by 3 whole to the power minus 3. That means three to the power cube. That means 3 to the power whole cube. Then negative signs. Sign will be changed positive. Say minus, here is negative signs. 2 to the power cube. Same 4 to the power 3. Three to the power 3 means 3 whole cube means 27 minus 2 whole cube means 8 divided by 4 whole cube means 4 into 4 into 4. That means 19 divided by 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. The result is 19 by 64. Divide means divided by 19 by 64. This is the answer. Now next question number 7. Sorry, question number 6. Same, find out, evaluate. We use by law of exponent 3 by 4. Here is negative sign, formatted positive sign. 1 minus 4 by 1, 1 minus 1 equals to 3 by 4 minus 4 by 1 minus 1. Now LCM is 4, that means 3 minus 16. 4 divided by 4 we get 1, 1 multiply by 3 we get 3. 4 divided by 1 we get 4, 4 4 is 16. Equals to minus 13 by 4 whole to the power minus 1. The result is 4 by minus 13. Equals to minus 4 by 13. This is the answer. You must learn some laws of exponent. Let A by B be any rational number and M and N be any integer, then we have there are some laws of exponents. First one, A by B whole to the power m into A by B whole to the power n equals to A by B whole to the power m plus n. Second law of exponent A by B, m divided by A by B n equals to A by B whole to the power m minus n. Here is base are same, but exponent are different. Third law of exponent, a by b whole to the power m whole to the power m into n equals to a by b whole to the power m into m. Fourth law of exponent, a by b into c by d into n equals to, we can write a by b whole to the power n into c by d whole to the power n. And also a by b by c by d whole to the power n equals to a by b by c by d whole to the power n. A by b by c by d whole to the power n equals to a by b whole to the power n by c by d whole to the power n. Laws fifth, a by b whole to the power minus n equals to b by a whole to the power n, where n is a positive integer. And last one, 6, a by b whole to the power 0 equals to 1. You must learn and also practice laws of exponents.